I found this set of silverware at my local dollar store, and I'm going to start by painting them with Rust-Oleum chalked in their linen white. And I'm going to get a drill bit, a metal drill bit, and drill a hole in each silverware. I found this wind chime at Dollar General, and I'm going to start by dismantling the top portion, the top sunflower, from the rest of the chimes. I'm going to now paint the sunflower portion with Snow Owl by Wise Owl. I'm using my 2-inch angle brush by Wise Owl. You can find both products at chalkitupfancy.com. You just want to make sure that you get coverage in all the grooves. And then I'm going to paint the back as well. Now I'm going to take the chime area and the crown that holds all the chimes, and I'm going to paint that with the Snow Owl as well. I'm just using a little art brush to take care of that. So now I have my silverware that was sprayed with the chalked, and I had drilled holes in each of them with a metal drill bit. I am now doing a coat of the Snow Owl on them as well with an art brush. And that chalked spray paint just acted almost like a primer. Now I'm taking a piece of a sanding sponge, and I'm just going over each one. It is distressing them a little bit. And now I'm going to be using our gilding wax by Redesign by Prima. You can find this at chalkitupfancy.com. The color is Eternal. It's a nice gold. And I'm just kind of using my finger and just brushing it, rubbing it onto the flatware kind of randomly. I'm not pressing hard, I'm just letting it grab all the edges, all the detail, and then making a few passes on the flatter areas. This requires a very little bit, and I just use my finger. You can use a brush if you prefer. And now I'm going to take the Eternal and go around all these little tiny flowers in the center of this large sunflower. And it's just giving me that shabby chic vintage feel. This is a really fun product to work with if you have a project with a lot of detail or a piece of furniture with a lot of detail. This is permanent. It does need to dry for a day or two. I'm going to take my Eternal and go around the rim. It's just catching all that detail and bringing it out. Now using fishing line, I'm going to reassemble the flower to the top of the chime, and then I'm going to add all the silverware pieces around the rim. It happens to already have holes there for that, so I lucked out on that. You could also use a drill bit to make holes if need be. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.